In many factories, management wants higher profit, production wants higher output, quality wants fewer defects. But there is one hidden cost that quietly eats profit every single day. Most organizations never see it. They only see sales, they only see production, they only see dispatch, but they don't see the losses happening inside the system. This hidden loss is called cost of poor quality. And in many organizations, it is much bigger than people imagine. The real question is, are you losing money because of quality problems without realizing it? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand what is cost of poor quality, why it is hidden in many organizations, where these costs come from, why reducing COPQ directly improves profitability, practical ways to reduce it, simple, practical, and based on real manufacturing experience. Let's start with a simple question. What happens when quality is poor? Usually, people think defect occurred, problem solved, work completed, case closed. But reality is different. Every quality problem creates cost, sometimes visible, sometimes hidden. Cost of poor quality means money lost because things were not done right the first time. Let me repeat. Money lost because things were not done right the first time. This includes rework, scrap, customer complaints, warranty, returns, delays, additional inspection, production interruptions. All of these cost money and all of these reduce profit. Let's take one more simple example. A batch of 10,000 pieces is produced. Inspection finds defects. Management says, no problem, rework it. Problem solved? Not really. Let's see the hidden cost. Additional manpower, additional machine time, additional electricity, additional supervision, additional inspection, additional paperwork, additional delay. Customer waiting longer. Suddenly, a small defect becomes a big business cost. The product may be recovered, but the money is already lost. Why many companies don't see COPQ? This is the biggest issue. Most organizations measure sales, production, dispatch, efficiency, but they don't measure rework cost, scrap cost, complaint cost, downtime caused by quality issues. So the losses remain invisible. And what is invisible rarely gets improved. Many organizations are losing lakhs and crores every year without knowing where the money is going. So, 4 types of quality costs. Let's understand COPQ properly. Quality costs are generally divided into 4 categories. Prevention cost. This is good cost. Money spent to prevent problems. Examples: training, process control, FMEA, preventive maintenance, standardization, audits, mistake proofing. Organizations often think this cost is expensive. Actually, this is the cheapest cost because prevention avoids much bigger losses later. Second, appraisal cost. Money spent to detect problems. Examples: inspection, testing, quality checks, laboratory testing, verification activities. Again, this cost exists because organizations want confidence that quality is acceptable. Third, internal failure cost. Now the real losses begin. Defect found before customer receives product. Examples: rework, scrap, sorting, machine stoppage, production delays, additional inspection, material loss. These costs happen inside the factory. 4. external failure cost. This is the most dangerous cost. Defect reaches customers. Examples: customer complaints, returns, warranty claims, field failures, customer visits, replacement material, loss of reputation, loss of future business. The most expensive quality problem is the one that reaches the customer. Let's take one real manufacturing example. Let's imagine a company produces products worth rupees 1 crore every month. Rework equal to 2 lakh, scrap equal to 1 lakh, customer complaint equal to 50,000, additional inspection equal to 50,000, total COPQ equal to 4 lakhs every month. That means 48 lakhs per year. Almost a half crore lost. Not because sales were low, not because demand was low, but because quality losses were accepted as normal. So, the biggest misunderstanding. Many organizations believe we need more sales to increase profit. Not always. Sometimes profit is already available. It is simply leaking from the system. Imagine filling a bucket with water, but the bucket has holes. Would you add more water or fix the holes? Quality problems are those holes. Reducing COPQ often increases profit faster than increasing sale. How do you know COPQ is high? Watch for these signals. Rework area always busy. Frequent customer complaints. Repeated defects. Emergency production changes. Sorting activities. High scrap generation. Excessive inspection. Delivery delays. Constant firefighting. These are warning signs. The system is telling you that quality losses are happening. So what are the practical ways to reduce this COPQ? First, measure rework cost. Track rework quantity, rework hours, rework manpower, rework cost. What's get measured gets improved. Second, measure scrap cost. Don't only measure scrap quantity. Measure actual financial loss. People react differently when they see money. Third, focus on first time right. Ask daily how much production is correct in the first attempt. The goal should be right first time, not rework later. Fourth, strengthen root cause analysis. Stop solving symptoms, find causes. Ask, why did defect occur? Why was it not defected? Why can it happen again? Solve permanently. Fifth, improve process control. Stable process, stable quality, stable output. Define machine settings, process limits, control plans, reaction plans. Sixth, use daily management system. Review every day, rework, scrap, complaints, quality trends, action status. Small problems identified early never becomes large problems. 7. Leadership focus. Leadership should ask, what is our COPQ? Not only, what is our production? Because output without quality creates hidden losses. So what are the benefits of reducing COPQ? When COPQ reduces, profit increases, rework reduces, scrap reduces, customer satisfaction improves, delivery improves, productivity improves, employee frustration reduces. Most importantly, the organizations becomes more competitive. So cost of poor quality is not a quality department problem. It is a business problem. Every defect has a cost. Every complaint has a cost. Every rework activity has a cost. The organizations that understand COPQ focus on prevention, not correction. Because quality is not expensive. Poor quality is expensive. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management, Lean, Six Sigma, and operational excellence in a simple and practical way. If you want to reduce quality losses and improve profitability in your organization, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are available in the description. Thank you for watching.